And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers on your Google Pixel 7a. So the first one, Opera. In this web browser, just click on the tab icon, switch to the private and click on the plus. The next one, Firefox. If you have this welcome screen, just click here and that's it. If you have any tab opened before, click on the tab icon, switch to the Zero Mask and click on the plus private. The next one, Adobe Edge, exactly same like before, click on the tab icon, switch to in private and click on the plus. And the last one, Google Chrome. Oh, sorry, I have to pass the setup. Okay, in this web browser, just click here on the 3-dot icon or arrow icon and choose New Incognito tab. And in this mode, your history, cookies files, completed forms, even learned word from the keyboard will be not saved. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.